In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a column and paste it into a different board in Monday.com. If you've ever tried to move a column from one board to another, you've probably noticed that Monday.com doesn't offer a simple copy and paste option across boards. But don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the correct workaround step by step so you can transfer your column structure and data safely and efficiently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the source board. This is the board that contains the column you want to copy. Open that board and locate the exact column you'd like to duplicate. Now, hover your mouse over the column header. You'll see a three-dot menu icon appear. Click on those three dots to open the column settings menu. From the drop-down options, select Duplicate Column. This will instantly create a copy of that column within the same board. It's important to understand that Monday.com currently does not allow you to directly copy and paste a column from one board to another, so duplicating the column here ensures you preserve the structure and data before moving it elsewhere. Once your column is duplicated and ready, the next step is to open your target board. This is the board where you want the column to appear. Go back to your workspace and click into the destination board. Inside the target board, click on the plus Add Column button on the far right of your columns. When the menu opens, choose the same column type as the one you duplicated in the source board. For example, if your original column was a status column, select Status. If it was a text column, choose Text. Matching the column type is very important to make sure your data transfers correctly. After creating the new column in the target board, you'll need to make sure the number of items or rows matches the source board. If the source board has 10 items, make sure the target board also has 10 corresponding items. This keeps everything aligned and prevents data from ending up in the wrong row. Now go back to your source board. Click into the duplicated column and manually copy the values. You can do this cell by cell, or if your layout allows, you can select multiple cells and copy them together. Then return to the target board and paste the values into the new column you just created. Take your time during this step to ensure accuracy. If you're working with large data sets, you may want to split your screen between the two boards to make the process faster and reduce mistakes. Once all the data has been pasted into the target board, it's time to verify everything. Carefully compare the original column and the new column. Make sure all statuses, numbers, text entries, or other values match exactly. If you notice any discrepancies, correct them right away. After confirming that all the data has been transferred properly, you're done. You've successfully copied a column structure and moved its data to a different board in Monday.com using the available workaround. While Monday.com doesn't yet support direct cross-board column copying, this method ensures your information stays organized and accurate. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.